Hello, my name's Andrew John March. I'm a Canadian freelance embedded engineer and musician. Back in 2022, I launched a product called Waver here on Kickstarter, and now I'm back with my new thing, the M0SS-101 synthesizer, which is a high-powered, low-cost, virtual analog monosynth meant for musicians, producers, synthesis enthusiasts, or anybody looking to play around with the sounds of classic East Coast synthesis. M0SS-101 gives you two oscillators with stackable square and sawtooth waveforms, detune, pulse width, and a 3-octave range, a mixer with a noise generator and XOR logic, an LFO with 3 waveforms, a filter with 3 modes, 1 envelope generator, a delay module, portamento, and these 9 modulation paths to connect the LFO and envelope generator to various destinations and design the patch. M0SS-101 has USB MIDI input, 9-volt DC input, and 1/4-inch mono audio output, plus TRS MIDI in and through. M0SS-101 could be useful in a few different contexts. If you want some synth leads but don't want to pack your vintage analog synth, it could be a fun addition to your bedroom ambient setup. It can achieve some pretty intense sounds, so maybe you'd like one for your noise set. If you want to quickly and easily add an extra voice to your Eurorack rig, it could be good for that. It's also pretty fascinating to just play on its own and enjoy experimenting with synthesis. Please consider supporting me in bringing this wild little pedal into the world. I would love for this to be just the first in a growing family of similar devices. Thank you so very much for watching. All the best to you.